Okay, so we made it to Sintra, not all the way to the Pena Palace, but yeah, we took the blue line to the Jardim Zoológico stop, and then there's a train station called Sete Rios, and then you can take that train to Sintra, the town, and now we have taken someone up on their offer to bring us up in an open-air Jeep, because it seemed like the most fun way to get up there.
You can take the public bus too, all over the place, but this is our last day. We're gonna make the most of it.
It was only 10 euros per person for the Jeep to go up there, so we figured, why not? And it'll drive us straight there. I think the public bus, you still have to walk after you get off,
yeah.
So we'll
and
see
it's
how
a little
it goes.
bit less than the tourist buses, so we're just gonna have fun today and see what happens.
Yeah.
And a day in Sintra, woo! Only one more bus. One more tram.
A lot of work to get up here.
We got the bus. We got
The train, another bus.
the train, the bus, another
Jeep.
bus, the
Yeah.
Jeep. So we're not there yet, but we're almost there. We made it. We're here. Woo!
We just got the tickets to the park, and you get to walk around all the outside of the castle and everything. And then there is a little bus, but you have to also buy the tickets for that. That will transfer you up here. That was just 3 euros a person, I think, so 6 total. It was a very short ride, so if you can walk, it's easy enough. But
Now we're inside, and we're gonna go explore.
Red and yellow castles, so bright. Cobblestone streets in the moonlight. Romantic nights, hearts take flight. In a fairy tale town, just right. History whispers, tales unfold. Beauty in every sight, behold. Love is the story, always told. In this town so old, so bold. Dance to the fairy tale town. Spin with the castles around. Feel the magic in the air. Love and laughter everywhere. Nature's wonder, flowers bloom. Sunshine kisses all the room. Every corner filled with charm. Hand in hand we feel so warm. In this place we come alive. Echoes of the past survive. Through the ages, hearts survive. In this town we thrive, we thrive. Dance to the fairy tale town. Spin with the castles around. Feel the magic in the air. Love and laughter everywhere. Nature's wonder, flowers bloom. Sunshine kisses all the room. Every corner filled with charm. Hand in hand we feel so warm.
Okay, so I had a vegan pastel de nata. Now I'm having the real original one. I'm gonna see what the difference is and if it's worth it. Get one or the other. The original is a little more creamy, but they both taste very similar. And both are delicious.